Good morning, students. I hope you all are well and healthy at home. Today we will discuss about chapter food. Where does it come from? You eat food every day, right? Some food we eat are raw, some are cooked, and some are mixture of ingredients. Had you ever thought where does it come from? Let's find out. First of all, we have to know about what is food. So, food is any substance that is used as a source of nourishment by an organism. Or we can say that food is something that people and animals eat or plants absorb to keep them alive. Here we can see that food forms. Now, sources of food. There are two sources of food, plant source and animal source. In plant source, fruit and vegetables are generally we use. Fruits are formed from the flowers of different plants. Example, banana, mango, etc. Vegetables can be different parts of a plant such as root vegetables, leaf vegetables, fruit vegetables, inflorescence vegetables, stem vegetables. And in animals, we generally use meat, chicken, fish, cheese, milk, egg, etc. as a food. Food items can be eaten raw or prepared by mixing individual food items. Can you name a few food items that can be eaten raw or cooked? Yes, fruits and vegetables can be eaten raw, while idli, sambar, dosa are prepared by mixing food items. You can see in the picture, idli and sambar is a cooked food, while fruits and vegetables are raw materials. Food habits of different peoples are differ according to the place, their habits and season. For example, in summers we generally eat mangoes, watermelon, while in winter we eat strawberries. Now, ingredients of food. Ingredients, these are the things that are used to make something, especially all the different foods you use when you are cooking a particular dish. Or we can say that ingredient add flavor to our food. We use generally cumin, coriander, curry leaves, asafoetida, green chili, red chili, these are as ingredients. Now, requirement of food. Why we require food? Food is required to our body to survive and be healthy, to obtain energy, to build tissues, to grow and develop. Now, what is the importance of food? Food is important to us as it enables the body to repair and replace the worn out tissues. It keeps the body healthy and helps it to fight against diseases. You can see in the picture, sometimes when we fall down and get hurt, that time our skin got burst but grows back in a few days. Now a question arises, how it happens? It's because of the nourishment obtained from the food we eat. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep smiling.